Okay, so in this tutorial we're actually going to add a new activity. So basically you go to App, right click on it, click on New, the end activity and blank activity, and create a name for it. I'm going to do about because it's been a bit of part of my lectures at the moment, and because I think this will be pretty simple method for us. Okay, so this is in relative layout, as its default and all that. We don't really want that, so we can just leave it as is at the moment. But what we're going to do is we're going to tell this program how we want the button to actually move. Now go to main XML, and so we've created the layout. Now we're going to create the buttons, like we've got the button as well on the main. Now we're going to activate it. Android, type in Android again, on click. Okay, on click, go to about, pretty simple method. Now click on here, and then hold down Alt and push Enter, and it's create view in about main activity. So there we go, we've got view there. Now we need to create an intent. Now this is calling, this is the declaring, like as you would declare a variable in Java and all that. We've got intent and we've got int here. So now give it a name, intent about, I suppose, equals new intent. Just click enter. Now this, whoopsie, comma, now we go to about dot class. Okay, so now this is pretty much it. But what we've got to do, I'll click the start activity, then type in the name of our intent, which is about. There we go. Now that's it. Now let's wait for it to run. Yes, I put it here. Sorry about that. And again, I'm still feeling a bit sick. Wait for it to run through yet. Now it's going to pop up in a second. Just again, I really do hate how much of this stuff takes, but yes, here we go. We've got the button. Now what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go on the side view, onto the landscape view. Now we'll click the button. Does absolutely nothing. So we'll bring it back. That's because we haven't actually put the button at control in the landscape view. Now if we click on the button here, it takes a bit of time. Just maybe doing too much, and there we go. We're onto the about thread that we just stopped. We're onto the about page of the app that we just created. Now well, don't worry about stopping it, just leave it running. We'll do Android on click, go to about. Now you can run this again. Takes a bit longer. So as I'm assuming most of you have already picked up on, is that now that we've put the Android on click go to about here, even though it's in the landscape version, it's still a part of the same Java file. So if we name this go to anything else, it wouldn't pick up on this reference here, which is what we needed it to. Sorry, I meant to add that T and that G in, but so basically we can go here, F12, wait for it to catch up, and then we'll click the button. Just remember we've got a relative layout at the moment on the about, so it just pops up as about should, and yeah, so we now got that back as well. So this button is just natural. But what people sometimes forget is that sometimes you want to close methods and all that. Or if you were to hit exit in a screen that wasn't, if there was an exit, say there was an exit button here, we'll cover this in the next tutorial. So I'll let you guys go, and again, if you need help, message me. If not, please subscribe because I could use your help.